of each of my startups and shutdowns of both of my Rheem units. So first we're going to start with the downstairs unit. I'm going to position my camera up and we'll get to it. Okay, so here it is running. This is a 2.5 ton Rheem. Yep. Honestly, these things are pretty much a problem to me because they gave me 3 problems in 3 years of owning them. So basically 1 problem a year. What's next? The entire unit. Hopefully soon I'm getting a window unit though, so that'll be fixed. So here's this thing running. So that's this thing. I'm gonna put this down and we're gonna shut it down. And here, the 2.5 ton Rheem. We're gonna go on the 2 ton Rheem. And you can see some pretty differences on the each of the units. This is a 2 ton, it has 2 blades. This one has 3 blades. So, and also we forgot to look at this. What kind of fan motor does this thing have? This thing has a ProTech fan motor. Let's see what this one has. Yeah, this one also has a ProTech. And the compressors on these is, sorry about that. So we have a an Emerson compressor apparently. I can't really see it. It's a Copeland scroll apparently. This is a Copeland scroll this one has. You can see the tag better on this one though. Yeah. Ugh. It's not focusing. But what I can tell you is it's a Copeland scroll made by an Emerson. I don't know if that's the Emerson Quiet Coil that we all know and love, but I don't know, honestly. So we're gonna start up this unit now. So let me get it positioned on there. The 2 ton, this one's a 2.5 ton. This one does this one is basically half this is basically like for the upstairs, this one's for the downstairs. This one, the 2.5 should be on the upstairs in my opinion. This should be downstairs. Because it takes forever to cool the upstairs. Another note on my piece of junk units. So let's do a shutdown. Okay, so, well, that's about it for this Rheem unit. Let's close these things up, okay? So, yeah. Oh, guys, while in the making of this film, I'm filming this video, there's a skunk somewhere out here. I think it's in the neighbor's yard, behind their fence, most likely. Because there's like 2 fences and there's like an in-between place. Anything out there? No. Usually he likes to chill in my yard, yard or my garden at night. Means, I wonder if he's in there now. Let's check. Gate's closed, so he shouldn't be. But if you see in there, behind those 2 fences, he might be in there. That's where I think he is. Yeah. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And BTW, I think this thing has bad bearings. He has to shut down right now. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Out.